Okay, now I'm going to present the second seminar report. So before starting our presentations, let me introduce team members, the name of the team members. The first name Sintayehu Nuguse, Mulana Adamu, Walala Defer, Shitai Chulum, and the rest one is Nigatu Alma. So our seminar reports, or we are to select the titles, which is known as web service, the comparison of SOAP and REST services. Then here, presentations consist five basic outlines, or the presentations consist introduction, why SOAP and REST is needed, the proposed solution, the criticize, and the conclusions. All those things are included under our presentations. So the presentations will be started as introductory, and why we need to SOAP and REST, and the proposed solution inside criticize the conclusions one by one. So now let's start. First, the introductory part will be distributed or presented by Walala. So let's start.
Okay, thank you, Nigatu. I am Walala Defer. I am presenting about the introduction part of comparison of SOAP and REST service. In nowadays of a contemporary day era development, there are quite a few approaches that need to be used to create enterprise applications. SOAP is specifications that enable applications to communicate with other applications, and REST is another standard made in response to SOAP shortcoming, and it seeks to fix the problems with SOAPs and provide a similar method to accessing web service. And also, both SOAP and REST are based on service-oriented architecture, and their development process includes something called Web API or Application Program Interface, which represents the interface for consuming their service. Okay, this is all about I will present. Thank you.
Okay, now the second introductory part will be presented by Shita. You can start now.
Okay, thank you. My name is Shita. In other hand, REST represents a client service architecture or the client standard. The request will the service process, then return response. It is introduced in 2000 by role building. Unlike SOAP and REST, SOAP means a communication transport protocol, web service. REST represents state of transfer to a communication, provide standard communication system. Does not like itself to XML standard. It also supports JavaScript, object notation, plain text, and etc. Thank you.
Okay, thanks so much. The another one is why SOAP and REST is needed. As we have to know today, in the real world, all services are needed those two things, especially for implementing web service. Especially for implementing the web service in the real world, those two things are very important. For example, in banking service, Yahoo, Google, and any others in the real world, the service needed those two things. Because SOAP is just, it's simply for simple object access protocol, or it is a protocol that's allowed to exchange messages using the hypertext transfer protocol and the extended markup language. So the most important things in the SOAP part is, yes, it's allowed to exchange applications or to exchange some informations. SOAP, it's established exchange message between service provider and customers. Three basic things in SOAP. That means SOAP sender, SOAP receiver, SOAP intermediate or forwarding or active. You have seen on the screen, there is three basic important things here: the SOAP sender, SOAP receiver, and the SOAP intermediate. Or it totally is allowed to exchange information between two applications. For example, another basic concept here, if it is PHP, Java, or any others, just it's use protocol to exchange one application to another applications. Now, another one is for the concept of the REST. REST is the representational states transfer. The basic difference between REST and SOAP is REST just it use the uniform resource arrangement, or simply it use URLs. So REST it's just structure primarily based on totally at the purchaser or service structure styles. Both of them are that's allowed to exchange informations, or it's allowed to communicate informations within two applications. Or in the real world nowadays, especially for the banking system, the Googling system, or especially in the Yahoo, all are used those two things. Whatever to implement web services, the two things are basic to exchange informations. Another one is for the architecture of the REST. Yes, there is client, there is web servers. Through that, there is a protocol which is hypertext transfer protocol, and the REST always use the RSS, pure XML, and JSON. And there is another WLDL. So all of those are the REST architectures. And the another definition, presentations will be started from Sintayo. Yes, Sintayo can start now.
Thank you, my classmate, my best Nagatu. I start from the proposed solution. In this paper, we compare the web service and the SOAP and rest of web service, the differences that you have in the underlying the technology, implementation, strengths, and weaknesses. Our approach provide experimental techniques to enhance accuracy when we compare to the SOAP and REST web service.
Web service.
Web service are going to encounter the popularity in the how devices communicate between each other. Web services are self-describing and modular business application exposing business logics as a service over the internet. They are delivered through the programmable interface, where their functionality can be consumed and invoked by different techniques. The interest of web service has have been developing quickly. In this SOAP and REST web service we use in this the era of the technology. Simply of use in the name that beginning of use, the internet carrier may be defined as the way of exchange or communication facts among target over the network. Often, widest figures out which carrier may match at the structure layout to increase the product. The paper represented the SOAP and REST client server module interactions implemented using request and response methodologies through the XML format. Final result is RESTful web service. The RESTful web services are lightweight, easily to consume, self-descriptive, fast, have and support for all data types and platform independent consumers, responsive and simpler to develop and maintain a web service. And our proposed solution is RESTful web service. The other part is controlled by Mulana Adamu. Thank you for this.
Okay, so now the criticism already presented by Mulana. So Mulana, you can start now.
I will present, I will continue history of points and the weak points, the highlighting conclusions. Let's start from the point of this paper. The first one is to start with this more than clear relevant information. This is the second one is the main and the research practice delivery stage. This is the part of the strong point of the data. The other one is problem that research methodology to solve delivery stage to the production party. The other one is the paper is section. The scientific articles are relevant to the issues raised in the paper, and the aim of the rational so the other point is the weakness of the power of the first one, the research paper contains no actual speaking language to be the survival of the point of the paper. We have reviewed this paper. The other one is the paper that is considered the constraints, meaning that the president of little can be added to present the exception. Second aspect of the university is not considered on the paper. The other one is the soft and rest. And the research paper that cannot be teacher communication. Those are the similarity. So the two protocols were not linked up. The rest, the soft and the rest, the similarity cannot be compared. The other one is the introduction part. The paper were not the other comparison aspect. The final and one is conclusion. In conclusion, one is the consensus about the paper. The fact is that comparison also and rest service in our service. This is the actually the paper status address is better for wireless infrastructure. Separate this the proposed solution is target as a using standards importance to the HTTP presentation is the second presentation that the seminar that is needed.
Okay, so thank you so much. Totally, our second seminar report presentation. That's all I have. Really, thank you so much. Bye bye.